Looking for ideas on what to draw next? Today we start a short series where we explore 4 different patterns that are all easy, fun, and a great place to start. Hi, join me on this channel as we find joy in pen and paper by creating simple drawings that anyone can do. Today's project is a great one that I revisit often. I make 4 sections on the page to play and experiment in. Today, in each section, I decided to start with one idea and then expand on it and see where we end up. This is a great way to get new inspiration and try new ideas. If I'm working on a larger, more detailed project, I tend to stay with tried and true patterns. Don't want to make a mistake on something that you spent hours on. But in today's short drawing with just 4 open sections, I can feel free to experiment. You never know if you're going to create your next favorite pattern or just have a learning experience. Either way, putting pen to paper and creating something is my favorite way to reduce the stress of the day and find the calm that we all need. I think I want a bold line between each of the sections, but like I typically like to do, I leave it open for now. I just want to leave open the opportunity for a creative idea later. Do you love grid patterns? I do, and I knew that was where I wanted to start today. Sometimes I struggle to get the lines right. I know it takes practice, but if you struggle like I do, I found a clear ruler can really help. I like to start in the middle, work my way to the edges. Leave a comment with your favorite tip on how you get the lines just right. I decided to start with petals. To avoid errors, I made the petals in all one direction and then the next. If you've watched any of my other videos, you know that I love a dark circle where multiple lines meet. I think it makes the patterns look clean and pulled together. From here, I make small changes till I am happy with the result. For the next section, I didn't want another grid, but I liked the idea of playing with a string. I made long lines to help me with the size and spacing. I started with a wavy line, added details, and ended up with a fun string that I think would look nice as a frame or an edge border. think that's it for this video. At the end of the series, I will come back and add a small amount of shading. I will post the next video soon, but for now, please help my little channel grow by subscribing, clicking the like button, or watching one of these videos.